Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that you probably never even thought about prepping. For that, now's a great opportunity to subscribe to the channel down below. And everybody, whether you're subscribed or not, please hit the thumbs up button and make a comment. It helps me out with YouTube's analytics. So what I want to talk to you about is the many uses for pool noodles. Instead of going pool noodles, those long, hard, semi-hard, flexible, hollow tubes that they put in the pool to float with and stuff. They have a lot of other functionalities too, and one of which is they're hollow. And if you have a water line somewhere that is, you have the regular insulation that goes on it, and it still, has a chance of freezing up, you may want to add a pool noodle around that smaller one. Just split the side, slip it over it, and use some of the special reflective heat tape to put on it to seal it back up again. That'll give you extra insulation for your water lines to keep them from freezing up and breaking. There's also other uses for pool noodles. If I will be doing one this spring where I'm going to take some of my IBC tote raised planter beds, and I will be putting on them pool noodles around the edges where the edges are a little sharp so nobody gets cut on those. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a couple of links up here for you. I can put the link to the Camp Patton Family Compound up over in this corner. I'm going to put two playlists for Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners up here, because you need to share those with your friends, families, neighbors, and coworkers so they don't come after your supplies, take your supplies from you and your family, and leave you like this.